Hey everybody, welcome to Big Boys Toys Productions. I'm James. It's great to have you here. And if you're new with us, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Today we're gonna do something a little different. I am finally getting a new Apple product since I've started updating the channel on a regular basis. So we're gonna do an Apple product unboxing. And it's one of the least expensive Apple products, but it's one of my favorites. So it's gonna be really exciting. So stay tuned. I'll show you the reason for the new product and what it is in just a second. Let's do this. Let's roll. So I don't upgrade my products with Apple all that often. I'm on a 2015 iMac. That's what I edit all my videos on. My iPhone's 2.5 years old, and this is a Gen 3 Apple TV. Now, it's out in my garage, as you can probably tell from the echo. And now let me show you why that I upgraded to the 2021 4K Apple TV from the third generation Apple TV. Check this out. The Weather Channel. Weather is unavailable. Try again later. Okay, how about TED? TED is unavailable. Try again later. YouTube has completely disappeared from the list, and I don't know which other ones, but there's several more where you ask for the channel and that channel is unavailable. There's another one. So basically the third generation Apple TVs have become worthless. There's nothing you can watch on them, hardly at all. So anyway, we're upgrading now, and let's see how it looks. All right, everybody. It's time for the unboxing. Here it is. Got the box delivered just before I left the house today. So now, let's see what's inside. Find a good place to get in here. Oh, look at that. I love how Apple does things. I mean, it's just, look at that. That's just awesome. Oh, there goes that. That's okay. There we go. It's quite heavy, actually. It's a pretty heavy box. Heavier than I would have thought. Now comes the fun part. As I saw Justine do just the other day on her channel, as she unboxed her 4K 2021 TV. I am going to do it the same way she did it, because it looked fun. And then she just tore this part right off, threw it down, flipped it over, and let the box drop away. Oh my, here we go. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Looky there. You see that? That is something else. Quite a beautiful piece. Looky there. Something. Got a little plastic protection around the side, of course. As Apple always tends to do, they make unpacking things really fun. So that protects the really pretty gloss black sides as well as the ports. We'll put that right there. I never noticed. This is life size, or designed to be two proper size. It's kind of funny. I like that. That's cool. And I'm going to assume that here's the remote, and this will be the same way. So let's just slide this little guy right out of here. Ooh, baby, look at that. Siri on the side. The pad here is a touch pad, so you can scroll by just doing that, and then select in the middle. And Siri on the side, so you can talk to it and tell it what you want to watch. And look at that right there. Boom! 1-to-1. Perfect. So what else is in here? We've got, what is this? This is the owner's manual stuff, I guess, right here. Oh, I bet these are our ubiquitous Apple stickers. Yeah, got your Apple stickers there. Then we've got, what is this? Oh, this is the charging cable for the remote. So it's got a lightning on one end and USB on the other, and that goes right there. So that's how you charge the remote. And then this should just be the power cord right here. Yep, that's what it looks like. There's the power cord, which my old power cord on my 3rd gen will probably work just fine, and I may just stick with that one. Yep, got the power cord. Smell of new electronics. It's awesome. Peeling this off, yeah. There's just a few things in life quite so satisfying, right? Are you with me? I know all you Apple fans feel the same way. This is thicker by a fair bit than my 3rd gen, I can tell. So anyway, well, there's the unboxing. So now I'm going to hook this thing all up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's do it. All right, as you can see behind me, the Apple TV is calibrated and up and running. And let's see, I don't know if this is a non-directional. Yeah, look at that. I can even, I don't even have to point the remote at the device, and I can pick stuff, and oh yeah, got my 80s music videos back. Excellent. Anyway, hope you guys all enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me as always. Like, subscribe, share, and comment, and we will see you next time. Bye.